we're going to install the nitrous flush option for our band sealer. It's the 3000. And this is what you get. Nitrous flush box. Guide. Takes the place of that. And then you actually get a set of bolts and a plate that locks it in place on the inside. We'll show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to exchange this for this. So we're going to take these two screws loose, set them to the side, put this in its place, basically just like that. And then we're going to go inside and we're going to pop this out. And we're going to show you that we're not going to talk during that part of it very much. It may just a little bit, but not as much. And see, it's got little clips in the top and bottom. All we're literally going to do is push those clips in and pop that out. Some of the older style of this had a screw on the side right here. So essentially all you would do is take that screw loose and that little clamp would release and you could pop this out from the inside out. And that, at that point you could put this on any version of our band sealers that have this installation. The other side of that is that if you did not have this on it, you could still install it. You would just have to drill the holes that match for that. But for this machine, you're only going to use 2 of them. So we'll pause for a second, then we'll get to that.
Oh.
There we go. Okay, so hold on to those. They'll get away from you. Here we used the longest screwdriver known to man so that we could install this. Alright, so we got to show this installation. Okay, so it's super simple. You get one of them in there, put the second one in there. And I'm going to kind of gauge about as deep as I want that bag to be able to go to start with. I'm just kind of set it there, and that's about as far as it'll allow it to go, pretty much. Okay, so now we have this piece right here. So press this clip in, press that clip in. Okay. But with that removed, now we can take these screws loose. This is a 14 millimeter. So what you're going to have, right, is you can have this plate on the inside supporting everything like a giant washer. Okay, and this is going to set just like that. So what we're going to do, show them the top up here. Alright, sorry. We'll set that tube right over the top of that. And this is going to ride just as it's shown here. Kind of pan over the top of it a little bit. And then we'll show the back of it. Alright, so this washer, there's actually a set of screws right there. You're going for the bottom set. Now, a few ways you can do it, but I like to kind of just get the one started with that just kind of hanging down like that. That's it. And then that allows me to spin up the other side, put the bolt in that hole, bring it up to where it needs to be as well. It's going to end up looking just like that. So before we get too far into it, I'll tighten one up and I'll check everything out. Okay. So we have here, this is your tube that goes inside of your bag. And this mounts a little, like this mounts, so straighten it up. So this is your guide where you place your bag up right here, push your bag through, and this goes inside of your bag. This is your nitrous fill. Then you have right here, this is your actual, come on over here, buddy. So this is your actual tube where your hose will attach to there, and you'll get your regulator from your supplier of nitrous. But so essentially all we're going to do is we're going to tighten down these two bolts, and that's it. And at that point we're ready to flush.